Welcome. In this video, we are going to understand our first programming concept called variable and the intuition which we are going to provide in this class. It is very important. We are going to explain you what happens behind the scenes, means what happens inside the hardware. This level of understanding is very much needed not only for this class, in order to understand our coming concepts, not only Python programming concepts. From this diagram, the intuition which we provide in this class, from here we are going to connect many of the subjects in our coming computer science subjects: computer organization, operating system. All those things get connected from this programming language. So that's why focus much. And the intuition, the visualization should be there in your mind. That helps you a lot in writing the logics. So before we move on to our concept, if you are new to programming language, the first concepts you need to understand is number system concept. So please, if you don't know what's number system concept means, please go to our website wisdomers.in. There you start studying Python programming course at wisdomers.in. There we have provided number system concepts, then followed by Python programming. Without understanding number system concepts, you are not able to understand programming languages. So watch there and come back here. Now coming to our actual concept, before moving on to the concept of variable, first try to have the visualization of memory device. In our hardware, memory device will be there. Yes, how that memory device will be, this is not the actual implementation of memory. Overview of memory device. This visualization is enough for understanding remaining things. As we move on, we will go deeper into concept of memory device. So this is how our memory device will be. This is one location to store some value. This is another location to store some value. Third location, fourth location, fifth location, like that. Our memory device is divided like this. Suppose if you want to access some value from here in this this location should be uniquely identified. Suppose your home is having a unique address. Why that unique address? In order to post something to your unique address should be needed. In order to get some data from your home, unique home address should be there. Like that, each memory location will have a unique address. 0th location, this is what we call it as address. First location, second location, third location, fourth location, so on. Some millions of memory locations you are going to have. This is how our memory device is organized. See, in programming languages, without memory device, without data storage, what you are going to do? So that's why you have this visualization. Now coming to the concept of variable. Variable is a name or label in programming language. It's a name or a label that holds a memory location. Example, X is a variable. Whenever you write X in your programming language, it is a variable. It is going to hold some memory location. Which memory location it is going to hold? As of now, who is going to assign this memory location? We are giving you thoughts. These thoughts are going to help you to understand our coming concepts. As of now, we are not discussing about which memory location it is going to be assigned, who is going to be assigned. Compiler and operating system is going to decide that. So from here, multiple subjects are getting connected. That's why it is very important to understand. As of now, if you are a first year BTech or second year BTech student, this is enough. Variable is holding a memory location. Assume that it is holding 0th memory location. Any memory location, it is going to take one location. Assume that 0th memory location has been assigned. So now, whenever you write X in your programming language, is it compulsory to write X? No, you take it as Y. Any name, you take your name, it's a variable name. You take pi, pi, it's a variable name. Any name you can write. So variable is holding a memory location. In that memory location, we are going to store some value. Suppose in a programming language, if you want to hold some value in that memory location, what you have to do in the programming language? Equal to is the symbol used to assign some value to the variable. So if you write X equal to 10 in your programming language, Python programming language, 10 is going to be assigned to X. What happens behind the scenes? In the hardware device, what happens whenever you write this code? Value 10 is going to be stored in the memory location. This is where it is going to be stored. This is what happens inside the hardware whenever you write X equal to 10. How this happens in the hardware? That you are going to understand in our coming computer science subjects, compiler design, CO, operating system. If you finish these 3 subjects, then you will have a clear understanding about what happens behind the scenes. All these subjects are very, very important. Even though if you want to move towards artificial intelligence, whatever domain you want to go, these are the basics. Without these basics, you are unable to solve so many problems. So that's why these are very important and you must be very strong in these basics. Hope you understand what is meant by variable, how value is assigned to a variable, and what happens behind the scenes. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.